Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. We have already covered 7 combinations in pad work training. If you missed those, do navigate and watch them at the earliest.
Hello all, in this episode you'll be learning 3 more new sparring techniques. I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy. With me I have my student Ganesh and Arshad Malik to help you with the techniques. Right, we'll learn a new technique, the technique number 1, right? Good, take your position. Good, let's break it into bits and pieces. Ready, 1, good, again, 1, right, 1, okay. Now you are seeing the striker going with a cross jab. Now the pad holder goes for a counter strike 2, which the striker would sweep the incoming attack. Ready? 1, again in 1, and then 2. Yes, good. That's the second part. Ready? Again, 1 and 2. Good. Now you're going to witness a Superman punch. After you sweep, the counter is going to be a Superman punch. Ready? Ganesh? Ready, Malik? 1. Okay, we need to go a little more slowly. Yeah, go a little more slowly. Ready? Be smooth and slow. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Ready? Let's go. 1. Okay, 1. Good. 2. Yeah, 3. Yes. 3. Let's go. 1. Up. 2. 3. Wonderful. Yes, that's the way. Yes. Good. Ready. 1. Up. Sweep. Make way and finish. Good. You attack now. Attack 1. 1. Sweep. Make way. Boom. Good. That's how the technique finishes with the Superman punch. It's a counter against a cross jab. You make way by sweeping the incoming cross jab. After you make way, you lift your body up at least a feet away from the ground, and then you fly with the counter cross jab, which we call the Superman punch. Good, I think you have been exciting now to see the Superman punch. The next one is little more stronger than the other previous technique. You will see a breaking point against the roundhouse kick and still counter the head or the face with the spinning rotational elbow. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, Malik? Ready? You again need to break the technique into 1 roundhouse kick. Okay, here you have to remember, you do a walk side. You do a walk side to lock the kick which you learned in the previous lesson. Release. Good. Breathe, breathe. Okay. All right. Ready. 1. Good. Next, you're going to walk into the center line of the opponent, and this elbow which you're dropping here would go on the midsection of the thigh. This is a break point. Second, when training with a partner, you give the pad here, so the partner uses the cushion area of the pad, which does not cause any damage, keeps you safe, keeps other partners safe as well. You still end up doing the technique correctly here. Okay, 2. Now we go 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Ready? 1 and 2. Wonderful. Let's again go back. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. 1. Good. Now, okay, again, let's go again. 1, 2, freeze. Now, as I mentioned before, your leg has to move in, across, okay? Because the next technique would be the spinning rotational elbow. If you have the spinning rotational elbow, the footwork you're going to use here is the walk across. The walk across has to be inside the center line of your opponent, like how it is now placed. It would not be in the front. No, this is partial. You need to be a full walk across. Now, this will give leverage for the rotational spinning elbow. This again goes to the frontal part of the head, or goes down the center line, the damage in the nose or even the face. This completes the technique here. All right, let's see the flow. 1, first 1. Good. 2, place the leg inside. 3, yes. You can see if you place the leg properly in the correct angle with the right distance, the third technique is effective. Clear? Let's go back again. 1, 2, wonderful. 3, Good. That's how the third technique completes. Let's now see it on the floor. All right. Let's go. 1. Wonderful. 2. Up. Oh, wonderful. Good, good, good. Easy, easy. 3. Up. Up. Great. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's how the technique shows its power, its effectiveness through the right footwork at the right time with the right weapon, elbow. The last technique of this episode, you're going to witness how to use the diagonal footwork, which we call as the salaf and pla. You'd use the diagonal footwork to avoid the incoming straight line force and counter from a 45-degree uppercut punch, finishing with an angle kick to the body. Let's see how we can do that. Right? We're going to go do in breaks now. Ready? Ready? Now the pad holder goes for a thrust kick, which the person will avoid and come into the slide 45 footwork. Drop. Okay, you need to avoid and come inside. Don't need to hold the leg. Yeah? 1. Good. Again, come back again. Okay, 1. Yes, come back again. 1. Good. Again. Now when the slide 45 has to be done, you move inside. So you have to sweep. The force that's coming in, I make way, I come inside. Now I get more leverage to go counter, right? The kick is coming in, bam. You can see the space I have now to snake in. Clear? Easy. But the foot should not be like, you're going like more than 1 foot. You need to have your feet control, right? Let's go. 1. Yes, wonderful, good. Good. Easy. 1. Good. Next we go for the uppercut. Ready? 1. Up. Yes. Counter. The first counter is the uppercut. Go. Easy. 1. 2. Third counter is the angle kick to the body now. Ready? 1, 2 and 3 now. 1. Good. Let's go again. 1. Okay, 1. Good. 2. 3. Easy, easy. Easy. Ready. 1. Good. Better. 2. 3. Okay, good. That's how the diagonal footwork gives leverage again to attack from a 45-degree and to finish with an angle kick to the body. That completes the third technique. Please like and share our videos, and do not forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you.